Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your name on Strava. First, let's go ahead and open Strava app on your phone. And once the Strava is open, you will land in this interface. And here you can see your recent activities. Now to change your name, just go and click on the profile icon at the top. And here you will land in this interface. Here there are many options, but just go ahead and click on the edit icon with the small pencil icon here, and just go ahead and click on that. Now, once that you have done that, you will see your first name and last name. You can just go ahead and change your first name and last name to your liking. So I'm just going to rename it to something like DelftStack Tutorial 2. And you can also change your city, state, primary, sport. You can also add a bio birth date. You can also change your gender from here, and also you can update your weight. And then once that you have updated all your name and all the options, just go ahead and click on done. And now, as you can see, our name has been successfully changed to DelftStack Tutorial 2. And that's it. We just learned how to change your name on Strava by editing your profile details and saving the updated name. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.